Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So as we all know that we have only 5 days left for our examination, that is for the DBT BET 2021, which is going to be held on the 14th of August. So I'll be sharing with you 5 important tips that you need to keep in mind if you're seriously preparing for this examination. You can use these tips in order to boost up your preparation, in order to boost up your rank. The very first important tip is that do not go for any new topic. At this particular point, when we have only 5 days in our hand, do not go for any new topic. Just focus upon what you have already completed and just focus upon that you have to revise those concepts in a better way. Second important tip following the same is revision. Revise as much as you can. Revise all the concepts that you have prepared. Try to recall all the concepts that you have prepared. That is, if you are reading any concept, let's say you are revising about the DNA replication. So first read it from your notes and then keep your notebook aside, and after that just try to recall which all are the points that you have remembered, which are the points that are clear in your mind, which would help you out to qualify the examination. This was the second tip. The next tip is that practice a lot. Do not neglect the previous year question papers. Take them as your practice test. If you have solved the previous year question papers already, it's very good. Just try to revise each and every question. If you follow the trend of the DBT exam from the last 8 to 9 years, you would see many questions as it is are repeated. So revising the previous year question papers would also help you out in one way or the other. So do not forget to revise the previous year question papers as well. That is, revising of all the concepts, that is all the topics that you have prepared, and in addition revising all the previous year question papers is also very important. So this was the third tip. The next tip is that summarizing up everything in your mind. That is, if you have completed any of the topic, let's say you are done with the complete unit of the fundamental processes, now you have to have a very good summary in your mind about each and every point that you have prepared. That is, you should have a clear understanding that okay, what is DNA replication, what are the subpoints, what is DNA transcription, what are the subpoints. You should have each and every point on your tips so that you could mark the questions in the examination. The next important tip is that focus mainly upon the facts. That is, do not go for the in-depth study of any topic. Why I am saying this? Reason being, if you have seen the previous year question papers, if you have analyzed them nicely, you would be able to easily analyze that the DBT questions are not from the core of any topic. They are mainly of the factual based. They are mainly of the information based, like for example, which of the following amino acid is the helix breaker? So you would be having 4 options and you have to take out the correct answer. So these questions are not in depth. You need to have a factual knowledge of each of these questions. So for remembering the facts, it is very important for you to have a summary in your mind, to have the concept clarity in your mind, and also to have the revision on point. Having the understanding of DNA replication is very important, but remembering all the enzymes, remembering all the functions of all the enzymes is also very important. If you have seen the previous year question papers, so you would have noticed that from the fundamental or any of the unit, mainly questions are from that what is the function of the same, which of the following is odd one out, which of the following is mainly used for any of the phenomena as given in the question. So you could see the questions are mainly fact based. Hence it is very important for you to have the factual knowledge of each and every point. And for that, what you have to do is use these 5 days in the best manner possible. Try to revise as much as you can and also try to give your best shot in this particular examination. Last highlighting point is, I would suggest you, if you are giving the DBT exam, you know that the examination timing is 3 to 6. That is in the afternoon timing. So I would suggest you from today itself, try to solve questions at that particular slot, that is from 3 PM to 6 PM. Try to sit and give the test or try to just revise the questions. Reason being, you need to have your mind active at that particular time if you would be lethargic at the time of examination, because 3 to 6 is a timing that most of us feel very much lethargic at the time. But start to develop this habit for 4 to 5 days and you would be able to have your brain functional at that time, that is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this is also very important. Do not neglect this thing, that is try to solve the questions at 3 to 6. Use this time so that your mind is very active and your mind could actually work at this particular interval in the examination also.